Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Jackson. We are in week 5, and I wanted to go ahead. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about writing. And in writing, your assignment this week is to pick 3 to 5 colored words, and you're going to draw an object, and then you are going to write a sentence about that object. So I'm going to go ahead, and I want to start off with some of the basic colors that you can choose from and show you how to spell them. So give me a second. We'll go ahead and switch over. I'm going to be in the lower bottom corner. You'll be able to see me and hear me, but we're going to be working off of to show you what I did. So the first color that I wanted to talk about that you could choose from, and I want to talk about how to spell it, is the color purple. So this is the color purple. And purple, what is the letter that you hear when you say purple? Right, P. So purple is spelled P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. The next color I wanted to talk about is the color. What color is this, boys and girls? You're right, it's blue. What letter do you start off with the letter blue? What do you hear? You're right, boys and girls. I hear a B. Blue. B-L-U-E. Great job, boys and girls. The next color I wanted to talk about is, let's look and see what it's going to be. Can you tell me what color this is? Red. You're right. And what letter does red start with? Again, it's an R. Good job. R-E-D. Red. The next color I wanted to do, think about it, boys and girls. What color do you see? Good job. Orange. And orange starts with what letter? O. O-R-A-N-G-E. Great job, boys and girls. The next letter, the next color, sorry, boys and girls. What do you think? Looks a little bit different on the video than what I'm actually, it's yellow. So it's, what letter does yellow start with? Think about that. Yellow. Yellow. You're right, it's Y. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. And the next one that we're going to do, what color is this, boys and girls? Great job. It's green. Again, what letter do you hear at the beginning of the word? G. You're right. Green. G-R-E-E-N. So those are just 6 colors. You're more than welcome to pick from any other colors. You might want to pick pink, violet, lavender. Any colors that you choose are fine. I just wanted to go ahead and talk about 6 of our main colors. A lot of times these are the colors that you find in a rainbow. So the next part of your assignment is you're going to remember, again, you're going to pick 3 to 5 colors, and in each color you pick, you're going to draw an object that is that color, and then you are going to write a sentence. So the first thing that we need to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick a truck, and I want my truck to be the color red. So in drawing I got to remember I have to draw my truck first. So remember, when we draw, we can always use shapes and lines to make our drawing. So to draw the truck, I figured I would draw a square for the cab. That's where all the people sit, the passenger sits. And then I would draw a rectangle, and that would be the bed of the truck. Now, a truck can't go anywhere without any wheels. What shape do you think I should use for the wheels? You're right, boys and girls. I'm going to use a circle. So I'm going to do a circle for the front part of the truck, and then do a circle for the back wheels of the truck. I can even draw a little square to put in for a window for the truck. Boys and girls, you can add more colors to your truck. You could color your wheels black. You could do a design. You could add more things. You could even put things in the back of the truck. And again, this object is whatever you choose to draw. You don't have to do a truck. This is just what Miss Jackson decided to draw hers on. The next thing that we're going to do is we need to think of a sentence. And remember, we want to talk about the truck being red. So we need to think about it. So I decided the sentence would be, the truck is red. So let's count how many words are in the sentence. The truck is red. How many words are in that sentence? Let's do it again. The truck is red. Good job, boys and girls. There are 4 words in that sentence. So we're going to do the first word is the word the. Now remember, the is one of our sight words that we learned at the beginning. And so let's think about the and see if you remember how to spell it. Now one thing about when we write a sentence, we always start with the word being an uppercase letter, because all our sentences start, the first word always has to have an uppercase letter. So we're going to write an uppercase T. We're going to write the letter T, and then it has an H, and that's a lowercase, and an E. That is a lowercase. Now, boys and girls, I'm writing this in pen just so it is easier for you to see as I am working. Again, you're able to write in a marker, crayon, pen, and remember, a lot of times, Miss Jackson, when we were in class, we would talk about using a pencil when we're writing, because we were always able to go back and correct anything that we didn't like how we wrote it. So again, you're able to use anything that you choose to write for your sentences. So, the truck. In order to do my next word, I have to put a space. So remember, boys and girls, Miss Jackson taught you to put a space between it. You can put your finger there, and it shows you about the space that you would need. The truck. What do you think truck starts with? T. You're correct. Truck. Remember, when we don't know how to spell the word, we sound it out, and we just write the words, the letters that we hear when we're doing it. Trr. Trr. The next letter, what do you hear? Trr. I hear an R. Truck. Truck. I hear a U. And then at the end of it, truck. Truck. What boys and girls do you hear when you say that? Truck. I hear a K. The truck is. Is a sight word, and remember, is spelled I-S. So we're going to put a space, and then we're going to do a lowercase I and a lowercase s. The truck is, again, red. So we have to put a space between our words again. Red. What do you hear? R, r. What letter do you hear? You're right, boys and girls. We're going to do an R. R. The truck is red. Red. Ed. I hear an E. Red. What's the last letter, boys and girls? You're right. That's a D. Let's read our sentence again. The truck is red. Now remember, at the end of our sentence, we're always going to put a period to show that our sentence has ended. Let's read it again one more time. The truck is red. So boys and girls, remember, you're going to pick 3 to 5 colors. You're going to draw an object with that particular color, and it can be whatever you want. It can be a truck. It can be a dog, a bird. You could use brown. It could be a wheel. You could use black. So it can be anything that you want it to be. Just remember, you're going to pick a color. You're going to draw the object, and then you're going to write a sentence about your object. Make sure that you use the color in your sentence. When you get done, have your parents take a picture of all of your sentences and make sure that you send it to me. I look forward to seeing all of your sentences that you guys have written. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.